Here is the Samsung microwave oven, and it's not turning on. We have checked the power supply here in the socket. Let's see. But still no power. Okay, so we'll try to figure out. Here we have checked the fuse, and it's okay. We have checked it with the multimeter and the tester as well. So I've just opened the back cover of the oven, and let's see if we can find something. Okay, here we have opened the cover, and let's see what we can find here. Okay, this is the supply which we are getting from the main, and this is the fuse. It's a 13 ampere 250 volt fuse, and here's another a set of panels for the keypad and the screen. So we may think that it's a fuse that may have been blown out, so we'll try to replace it with the new one. I have bought the other from the shop. It's a 15 ampere fuse here, as you can see. This is the fuse, I think so. So we'll try to replace with the new one, which in this case, so we'll start here. Okay, we're gonna power it on, and here we go. Yeah, we got the power. Yeah, the lights are on, everything is normal. So hence proof that the fuse was blown out. This was the fuse. So make sure that if you needed a quick fix for the oven, just make sure that your main supply and the back end fuse are both well connected. Otherwise, there may be a problem with either of them, that one of them may have been blown out. So here we are.